How to fix unable to remove payment method because of active subscription on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to remove payment method because of active subscription on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is head over to your Apple Store. After you're on your App Store, simply tap on your profile that's on the top right. After you tap on it, simply tap on your name that is on the top. And after you tap on it, it will take some time to load, but you will be now on your account settings. Now under your account settings, you should see the subscription option. Head over there and under your subscription, just simply remove your subscriptions. Make sure that you cancel your subscriptions. And since you are unable to remove your payment method because you have active subscriptions, after you remove your subscriptions, you should be now able to remove your payment methods. So you can head over to your manage payments and then remove your payment method. So that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.